But yeah, right there. Ooh! Sit. Come here. Bro, come here. Come here. It's Christmas time! Oh my god! Right here, as you can see, I have a terrible hood gap between my bumper and my hood. It's just, Alright, right here I have the brand new, no, they're not the same old GTR style headlights that you usually see on these cars. We have Prism Beams plug and play full LED GTR headlights, which means there's nothing to transfer over. We have this beautiful lens, and we also have a little flame logo right here, which I believe is also customizable, made to order. LED strip is not customizable as of right now, but it is going to be solid white LED, of course. So I'm super excited to get these installed. Huge shout out to Prism Beam for sending these headlights out. As you can see, my current ones, they're a little crusty. I really don't know if the camera can pick it up, but these are very old and gross, and the other one's pretty bad too. Yeah, they're very, ooh, oh god. Yeah, compare this to this. They're gonna look a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed, and no, these are not normal installation headlights. We do have some extra wires here, and I will show you guys exactly how to do that. Slight disclaimer, my bumper headlight area is a little not OEM, so bear with me. For starters, I need to take my bumper off. Let's go ahead and do that. Hood clips ASMR, I would highly recommend getting these, they save your lives. I lost all the tabs at the top of this bumper, so it's literally being held on by zip ties on both sides. So I'm so sorry about this. This is very embarrassing. It's okay though. Kids, don't play with knives. You will stab your brother, sister, or loved one. Don't do that. Killing is bad. I'm almost fell back in that. I need to turn my wheelers on. Hold on. Look at my, touch my, suck at my cock.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
There's gotta be a better way to do this. I wonder if I just... No, that didn't work. Oh, I did it. Okay. Bumper is off. Boom! Wow, these headlights. Can't wait to sell these on Marketplace for $400. See, that one's in good. What's the issue with this one? Why this? I think I found the issue. There's not a thingamathinger. I don't even have a ratchet. What am I doing? We're brokey out here, everyone. Oh, I got it. Whoa, big pause. What's going on right here? Hold on. Whoa. All right, I'm just gonna look the other way for now. No, my calculations are correct. The headlights should come out right now. Hello? Oh, it's still plugged in. Definitely forgot about that. Pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. Okay, now that we have these two next to each other, you can see the bad difference in the two, which is, that's disgusting, Jesus. I hate this, and I love that. They're gonna look a lot better. And the, Jesus, all right, not doing that way. What I also love about these is these have like a really cool sequential turn on animation. I'll show you guys whenever it's on, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on real quick. Now, as I mentioned before, there is no transfers needed, like ballast and bulbs and whatnot, but we do have this extra wire. As you can see, it looks a little strange. I'll just show you guys whenever we get there. But yeah, it's not that hard. I'm like a solid 80% sure I know what I'm doing. There's still that 20% there. That's questionable, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. Oh, interesting. There is a clip right here that I should definitely drill a hole for my fenders, because it should definitely exist there. We're gonna bougie and ball out without it for now because it's okay. Usually with normal fenders, there's like a hole. You see there's a clip right here. It should go in there, blah, blah, blah. We're just gonna ignore that for now. I'm just gonna plug these in just to like test them real quick. Boom, they're clipped in. Wow, those animate. I was not English. What the? Those immediately look 1,000 times better. Hold on a sec. Ooh. Okay. I love the flame too. This is hard. I'm not gonna lie. And I believe, like I mentioned before, these are gonna be customizable. I think there's gonna be other logos in the future that you can either customize or choose from. But let me go ahead and turn these on real quick just so we can like check them out. We have the RLs. Are they working? Yes, they are. Oh, the RGB's already going. That's sick. Oh, and then after their RGB, they turn white as of right now. That's sick. Okay, so that works. Turn on lights. Okay, those are the normal lights. So there's the old one, or those are the new ones. Those are the gross old ones. And then do brights are on. All right, so that's brights. Cool, easy plug and play. Yeah, right there. Ooh. Oh, that's sick. That's actually so dope. And then you got the little RGB and then it ends at white. I ain't gonna lie, the fire's kind of heat. Now that I'm here, I'm curious. What does that other wire go to? Because now I have no idea. So you can see by the darkness, we've been at this for a little bit. All right, both of the headlights are officially in currently. I actually went and backtracked and unplugged that extra wire. I actually don't know what that's going to. I did find out that I do have something wrong with my wires to this headlight because my blinker didn't work before, and it also doesn't work on this one either. So that's a wiring harness issue on my end. Headlights are fine. This one does work. So let's go ahead and turn them on and see what they look like, and then I'll assemble everything back together, and then maybe by then I'll figure out what that wire's for. Ooh, those are sick. Oh my goodness, these are so bright. Hold on. Jesus, good Lord. All right, turn them. There you go. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, that one's just not working, so I gotta fix that. Boom, everything is put back together. All I gotta do is lower the hood. All the headlights are installed and fully functional, except for the turn signal on this side, of course. I did go ahead and actually adjust the bulb. As you can see right back here, where's it at? As you can see right back here, there is a Phillips head adjustment point where you can actually aim the headlights up and down, so that way you can get your field of view and basically, you know, align your headlights. So I went ahead and adjusted them on both sides. Go ahead and turn on the lights. And boom, we are seeing everything on the road. Go ahead and do the brights. Boom, we are gonna be blinding everyone. Now I have proper lighting to talk to you guys again. What's up? I definitely did a lot of overthinking while installing these headlights. They are literally as simple as just plug and play. As of right now, that harness is irrelevant. I don't need them on my car. I don't believe you need them on your car unless told otherwise, but they are literally just simple plug and play. But yeah, I am super satisfied with these headlights. They are so cool. I really love the new design with the flame logo and just the way the animations are. It's very different from all the other GTR headlights you see for these cars. There's the Alpha X ones, which are also LED plug and play. They don't really have all the animations and stuff. They do look really nice though. And you have the Spec D ones, which obviously look really cool too, but the quality just isn't quite there. This is a fine medium where it's the quality's there, the GTR's there, the creativity's there. It meets all the great points, and also functionality is 100% there as well. As you can see, headlights are very bright. I just have this weird feeling when I close my hood that I'm leaving something underneath, but I definitely am. What happened? Oh! Should probably put that back. Boom. Boom. And we are all set in stone, baby. That looks so good. All these headlights are so much better than the other ones. I wish you could see it in person, but like these headlights, just like, it's too bright on camera. That's the issue. I originally wanted to get a better lighting, you know, before the sunset, but ran into some issues with the wiring, but it was all test and tune. So yeah, let's go ahead and make our way over to a better well-lit area and check out the headlights some more.
The next day.
Well, we're on the phone today. It's the next morning. It is raining and I don't want to get my camera wet. So great time to show you an example of the fact that these do not fog up like some other headlights. These actually are perfect in the rain, especially with no front bumper. I was getting groceries yesterday. Someone hit me in the parking lot and dipped. We're rocking no bumper now. Very unfortunate. Yeah, this is the headlights during the day. LED strips are very bright, very attractive, and then even the headlights are pretty bright as well during the day. But yeah, these are the Prism Beam G37 lights. If you guys want to check out Prism Beam, or these G37 headlights specifically, make sure to go check them out, and you can use my code ABOVEHUNTER for 10% off of your order. Get you a little discount on some new headlights or taillights. They make them for tons of different cars, different makes and models. So yeah, go ahead and give them a check out on Instagram, or you can check out their website. I'll leave both of those in the link in the description. And then one last thing before we wrap up, as far as the flame logo, there are going to be other options available. There is a custom option available where you actually can get this flame logo in a custom logo of your choice. It is made to order, so it does take a little bit of time, but it is well worth it because these lights are freaking awesome. As of right now, they are in development of some other logos. I believe they might be trying to do like a prism beam logo to kind of like mark their brand, which would look super cool. Or maybe we can try to do an Infiniti logo. We're still working on it, but as for right now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy these headlights as much as I do. They are freaking awesome. I'm wet, so I'm gonna go inside.
Where the fuck my blunt? Where the fuck my car? Where the fuck my